Welcome creatives, Michelle here. I have a beautiful small spring wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how to pull together these materials and make a stunning small spring wreath. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so this is what we're going to use as our focal point. It is a garden stake from Dollar Tree and it is metal. And to get these off, they come off pretty easy. I usually put my hand down so I don't bend the sign. Wiggle it around and then it'll just pull out. But I think that's so adorable. Now to get this onto our wreath, I'm going to add 2 of these. They are called cable tie mounts. These are 1 inch by 1 inch. You can pick them up at any hardware store. And because this is a metal sign, they do have a stickum, but that stickum is not going to stay on metal. So I'm going to be using Fix All adhesive. You can also use E6000 or any other industrial glue. So take off the little tag and add your E6000 or Fix All. Now this is going to take 24 to 48 hours to fully set up, so you'll want to do this the night before. For today's spring wreath, I'm going to be using one of the 8-inch wire wreath forms. You can pick this up at Dollar Tree. They still come 2 to a pack. And then you're also going to need some pipe cleaners that are cut in half, and a roll of the light blue and a roll of white deco mesh from Dollar Tree. I have both rolls of my mesh cut into strips at 20 inches. You should be able to get 9 pieces from each roll. We're going to be doing the woodland ruffle today. That's really easy. You start at one end that's cut. You do a nice curl. I usually go 2 or 3 times with Dollar Tree. Then I pinch right in the center. I'm going to clip that, turn around, and you do the same thing on the opposite end. Now if you have good hands, you can just hold this in your hands and do it. I don't. I need help, so I use the clip. Now the distance in between, you're going to pinch and gather all the way across. Okay. So what you end up with is you have a curl on either side and a ruffle in the middle. Take your pipe cleaner, add that to your bundle. I always like to pull everything down. That way I can get a nice tight grip, pinch and twist. And there's your little bundle. I'll show you again. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. I have my bundles made and I've started to add it to my wreath form. Now my wreath form has 3 sections. A section is in between the crossbars, and in each section you'll place 6 bundles. I'm placing my bundles on the center and outer bar, as you can see here, and I'm just alternating between white and light blue as I move my way around. Wrap your pipe cleaner around both bars, pull nice and snug, and give a couple twists. Then I pull my pipe cleaners together and I push those forward. You will not be able to see those from the front, but they keep the back of your wreath looking nice and clean. Then I just continue to add until I have 6 bundles per section. I have all all my bundles in and my wreath base is nice and full and fluffy. On the back here you can see I attached it to the center and outer bar. 6 bundles per section. Nice, clean, and professional. Now these are the ribbon I've chosen for our spring wreath today. I think they're so pretty. This one is just a simple light blue. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. This is 1.5 inches. I did pick this up from Kirkland. I found out this year Costco also carries spring ribbon. And then this one I thought was really pretty, and I love blue and yellow together. That's one of my favorite combinations, and I love all those beautiful florals. This one I did pick up from Hobby Lobby in their spring section. This is 1.5 inches at 10 yards. You need to cut 6 pieces of each ribbon at 10 inches and dovetail both ends. I wanted to share with you a trick that I like to use when I have to cut a lot of ribbon. Measure out however long you need your ribbon. For me today is 10 inches. And then go ahead and fold right at 10 inches. So right now I have 2 pieces. You just continue to fold on itself. You don't need any special tools or anything. So that's 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just find the center, and that's where the backs are facing each other of the ribbon. You do need a good sharp pair of scissors for this. And there you go, all 6 pieces are cut. And to dovetail, just fold wired edge to wire edge. I only come down about 1/2 inch and then cut up to the wire edge. That gives you a beautiful dovetail. And if you have good scissors, you can do multiple pieces of ribbon at the same time. Okay, so now we're going to make our ribbon bundles. You'll need 1 piece of each ribbon. And put the yellow on top and the blue on the bottom, and then just scrunch down the center. Pinch. I kind of bend because I want all of my ribbon to come to the outside of the wreath form. Add a pipe cleaner. Pinch and twist. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. Okay, and that's what my ribbon bundles will look like. You need to make 6 bundles of ribbon. I have all my ribbon bundles made, and now I'm going to attach them to my wreath form. You attach them the same way you attach the bundles, by using the pipe cleaners. And I'm going to be placing 1 on each crossbar on the center and inner bar, so that's 3. And then in between those, on the 2 bars on the outside, I'm also going to be placing 1, and I'll put it right in the middle. So 3 bundles on this side, the ribbon, and 3 bundles on that side. So the first one I'm going to attach here to the crossbar. Now just pull your pipe cleaners in, get them snug, and give a good twist or 2. Pull your pipe cleaners together and push those forward. Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Okay. And now my next one, I will go 3 bundles over and place it in the center on the 2 bars on the outside. So each section will have 2 bundles of ribbon, one on the crossbar and one in the middle. My base is complete. I went through and kind of fluffed out my ribbon. And now I want to place my focal point, and I'm going to put that right in the center. Just take your pipe cleaner, jute cord, whatever you're going to use, feed it in. I always like to give it a twist so it doesn't slide. And then to get this attached, you just feed these pipe cleaners down through the deco mesh and attach it to the wire frame in the back. You can attach it anywhere on that frame that you need to get your sign to sit where you want it to. Okay, that's all ready to go on our wreath. And here you go, we are all done. Oh, I love that umbrella full of flowers, and it says welcome. What a bright and cheery way to welcome your guests. I really love the small wreaths. They're so versatile. Now the finished base is 14 inches in diameter. These are perfect for any interior door. They're good on mirrors or cabinets. And if you live in an apartment or a senior living community, these are perfect for the front door. They're nice and small and easy to store from year to year. What a beautiful spring wreath, so bright and cheery. If you're looking for more spring or Easter inspiration, you can check out my playlist by clicking here. Have a great day, my friend. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.